I really can't figure out what the hell the problem is with OBS. I'm like about 6,000 kilobits per second lower than I should be. I am at 647.39 kilobits. That's the current bit rate. We recommend you use the stream bit rate of 6000 kilobits. Well, my internet, if that's what they're talking about, my internet is pretty bad here, but I don't know that that's what it is. When we come in here and we go look at OBS, I'll show you what I'm dealing with. Okay, OBS. My bitrate is set to that. I'm using, though, the main settings. You can use this one. It won't make no difference. Click apply. But if you do use this one, you're going to be in the settings. Output. It's still 6800. Encoder preset, fast, high CPU usage. Their encoder presets don't actually make sense to me. Ultra fast, low CPU usage, lowest quality. Oh, I see, lowest quality. Okay. Super fast, very fast, standard quality, fastest. Okay. Maybe that will get us into that ballpark of like acceptable amount. I can't get this number to even come close. It's strange. So Mike says it says I'm not live. All right, let's go over here. We use the main OBS settings. Click OK. It's possible we're having a problem. But we're definitely always having an issue. I don't know what it is. Now, it gets a little better if I stream horizontally instead of vertical. But all the time I know people are on, and it says there's 0 people on, so I don't know what's up with that. And it says 1. We're still getting the same warning. It won't go away either. I don't know what's up with it. Let me try my speed test. Let's just see how bad it is right now. Speed. This is the one I always use. Alright. It's not going to be great. 320 megabits per second. It's the up that's not good. 17. So we got 344 down, 19 up. That's just about normal. So we can't seem to get this thing to go away. It's not streaming at the correct bit rate. I can't seem to change it.